Welcome! In today's video, we'll dive into essential vocabulary for separation and purification equipment in English. Let's make these technical terms simple and easy to remember. Filter press. Filter press. Membrane filter. Membrane filter. Vacuum filter. Vacuum filter. Cartridge filter. Cartridge filter. Bag filter. Bag filter. Ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. Microfiltration. Microfiltration. Reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis. Centrifugal filter. Centrifugal filter. Distillation column. Distillation column. Fractionating column. Fractionating column. Reboiler. Reboiler. Condenser. Condenser. Fractionator. Fractionator. Vacuum distillation. Vacuum distillation. Molecular distillation. Molecular distillation. Steam distillation. Steam distillation. Extractor. Extractor. Soxhlet extractor. Soxhlet extractor. Centrifugal extractor. Centrifugal extractor. Liquid liquid extractor. Liquid liquid extractor. Supercritical fluid extractor. Supercritical fluid extractor. Centrifuge. Centrifuge. Ultracentrifuge. Ultracentrifuge. Microcentrifuge. Microcentrifuge. Continuous flow centrifuge. Continuous flow centrifuge. Disc stack centrifuge. Disc stack centrifuge. Decanter centrifuge. Decanter centrifuge. Chromatography column. Chromatography column. Gas chromatograph. Gas chromatograph. Liquid chromatograph. Liquid chromatograph. High performance liquid chromatography. High performance liquid chromatography. Flash chromatography. Flash chromatography. Thin layer chromatography. Thin layer chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography. Adsorber. Adsorber. Absorber. Absorber. Activated carbon filter. Activated carbon filter. Molecular sieve. Molecular sieve. Fixed bed adsorber. Fixed bed adsorber. Evaporator. Evaporator. Falling film evaporator. Falling film evaporator. Rotary evaporator. Rotary evaporator. Multiple effect evaporator. Multiple effect evaporator. White film evaporator. White film evaporator. Crystallizer. Crystallizer. Cooling crystallizer. Cooling crystallizer. Evaporative crystallizer. Evaporative crystallizer. Vacuum crystallizer. Vacuum crystallizer. Magma crystallizer. Magma crystallizer. Spray dryer. Spray dryer. Rotary dryer. Rotary dryer. Freeze dryer. Freeze dryer. Fluid bed dryer. Fluid bed dryer. Tray dryer. Tray dryer. Vacuum dryer. Vacuum dryer. Clarifier. Clarifier. Decanter. Decanter. Separator. Separator. Dehumidifier. Dehumidifier. Adsorption column. Adsorption column. Precipitator. Precipitator. Sublimator. Sublimator. Scrubber. Scrubber. Cyclone separator. Cyclone separator. Condensation chamber. Condensation chamber. Thanks for watching our video on separation and purification equipment vocabulary in English. We hope you found it helpful and that you're feeling more confident with these technical terms. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content on scientific vocabulary and equipment essentials. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post new lessons. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.